Hello, beautiful people. Future me. Welcome to another programming practice of mine. Today, as always, we will start with 5 minutes of typing and then I will continue with Java. I'm going through some tutorial repetition. That's how you build the stuff. I believe, at least. So, let's go. CDK HTTP client. I'm missing a. CDK tag. Okay. 5%. Oh well. Just keep it up. Keep it up. Practice. I'll probably not finish this one. we are over the time. That means we are done with the typing for this exercise. So we'll continue with the Java tutorial. I'm going currently through this one, and we had a number class. Okay, so we did some equal things and so on. There was this things. So let's see what is the next thing. Numbers, characters. Okay, so we'll do characters. Boom. Hmm. Can I do package and then yeah I can. Okay, cool. Go back, and here I will do okay. So I'll do that 14, and that was character or characters, character class. Sure, why not? Java, and I will create a character class. And okay, I'll add them. So the character class, it is one character, it is one letter, it is one something, and we will be talking about the class, but I will mention the character primitive value as well. So for that to demonstrate, I will create a main method. Come on. Public static void main. What's wrong? Public static void main. What did I wrote before? I don't know. I don't know. Well, we have that, and first I will do char. That is the primitive thing, and I will say it will be a character. And these things, notice that I'm using the single quotes, not double quotes. Double quote, yeah. And that's it. And then I can print it out, for example. Our primitive, and it has weird color. I don't think this is how a variable should look like. Not sure. Well, let's see. Let's just run it and we'll see what it will do. Okay, so that one works. Now we want to demonstrate the character class. And the character class, I guess we'll have some methods on it as well. So I'll do I will do new character, and yeah, so this one is deprecated as we can see. I'll extract it. That will be character, why not? And this one is blue. What does it mean? Never used. And this one is okay-ish. So what if I comment it? Okay, so now it's never used. I see. Okay, so that's what these colors means. And here they say char is deprecated. So expected one argument but found zero. So we will say A. that is the value. But also we can fix that by pressing Alt Enter in here, and it will say remove unboxing, and yeah, so we will do that, and this is how you initiate it. We can print it out. That will do the same thing, but we can do some operations on it, right? So let's do south character dot, and I think there is many things. So we do character value. That will be a number, I believe, of the A. That should be 72 or something like that. 72, 62. Okay, so that will return the same thing. What about the other methods? I'll do that. Then yeah, equals. Well, there's nothing much interesting here to do. So I wonder what they have to say about it. Character class. Okay, so we have a char. There's a array of chars. Uh, there's this boxing thingy. Now we have the escape sequences. Character preceded with backslash is an escape sequence and has special meaning due to compiler. A new line character. Okay, so here is a tab, backspace, new line, carriage pattern, which I have no idea what it does. Form feed in a text at this point, and here we have a single double quotes and this one. Okay, so those three are very useful. This one I use as well. So if we do, so this will be just print, and we will have another char. That would be new line, and that will be equal to, and it will be this, and we will have the escape thing here, n. So this is the new line thing. And if we just print out the character right now, we will get uh, final line like so. Um, okay, so this will be on the same line right now, right? So if I run it, we'll see that we will have a, and it is a, and then will be a, and on the same line there will be final line, right? But I can also can do this, where I will print the new line character, and that will do new line. What do you expect? So new line, and now when I run it, it will be there. Hmm. So this is interesting. It just adds those two characters. So let's duplicate this, and I will add this thing over here and run it. And this one works. This one does not work. Okay, so we have a 107. So this one is the 107. Uh, like so. Then we have another like this. Okay, now it's visible. Now it's visible. So we have the 107, then we have the character. This is to the new line. There, okay, so that was the new line character, and also we can have a char uh, backslash, and that will be equal to this guy. We can have a char which is single quotes, quote, and that will be equal to this. Now I need to escape it, the this character, and double quote will be like this. Escape it, have that. Yeah. So now I have those three characters, and I can print them out as well. So I will do sod, and we will do double quote. So we will get the right thing, and we say backslash. Then we add single quote, and then we add a double quote, like so. And I see that I have, when I was writing, I did, okay, so here, now if I do the plus, this goes underlined, expression expected, okay. So maybe I want to change the settings in here, so this would have also color. Oh, I did not start the time. It will be long session then today. Doesn't hurt at all. General and color scheme I have here in general. I have here something errors and warnings. So deprecated symbol. Here is error. Okay. Change the background. Maybe I can revert this to whatever it was before this, I think. Choose. Okay. Then we had the red underlining. Where is it? I don't see it. Problem for server, runtime problem. So there's an error and a runtime problem. So there's an error, there's a runtime error. What if I do black? Choose green, this thing. Choose. Might be it, I don't know. Well, do that on the way. So what about bordered? That's wild. What is this thing? Rollback for this configuration element. Okay, so if I do reset, okay, I have the previous value on before I did any change, but I'm looking for now Where's the red squiggly underline? Just by itself, I don't see it. This is a runtime error. Okay, we can keep it as it is. I don't know where is it coming from. Okay, I'll leave it as it is. So this one says expression expected. And here, okay, so if I go F2, it will jump here. Highlighted error. And if I do this, expression expected, but if I do this, it's underlined red. That's weird. Okay, and here is something. What does it say? One error, okay, so let's click on that. Analysis. Analyze. Oh, it was somewhere in the menu. So if I do this, analyze, inspect code. Okay. Yes, this. So we have a one error. So it's error, right? Two weak errors. So here, syntax error, one thing, characters. Yeah. So expression expected. Okay, but that's an. Okay, now it's red. Now it's red, and when I'm there, it's underlined. Okay, so if I do space and go away, so it's. Huh. Oh, because it's selecting the end, the another parenthesis. I see. And that overrides the thing. Okay. Okay, I think I can live with that. Just keep it there. So I wanted to print out double quote. Quote as well. Just format it a little bit, and now when I print it, I will get all of the characters. Backslash, single quote, double quote, and everything will be nice and dandy. Right? And why does it take so long? I don't know. It takes forever to run just this single simple thing. Okay, so we have to say hello. I said this is the escape things, yeah. So we can use it in strings as well. And then we have character methods. Is letter, is digit, is... Oh, wow, okay. So we can go over that. So is letter, is digit, is, and so on to lowercase. We will do the methods. Oh, come on. So, methods. Okay, and here we will try the slow, slow, IntelliJ, or slow, or my computer, or whatever. And I should be able to type it like much faster. You're slowing me down. So I won't. I will take this one, character, and I will do this, and it doesn't do anything. So maybe those will be static methods. So character dot is okay. So I will do two uppercase, and I will provide character, or yeah, or I can do B, for example. So that should do the uppercase, then I will do the same thing, and that will be character dot, and then I will use is uh, char, what was the methods? Is digit, oh, okay, is digit is nice, so we will do is digit, and then um, I will say C. For example, duplicate this, and here I will provide 1, and I should get big B, C 1, and I can do here, so, and this will say the uppercase case. Here we go. Here will be that. Then I will do it on a big B that should do nothing. Then I will do lower case, of course, and yeah. So I will do again this, and I will say character dot to lower case, and it takes two arguments. Look at that. So I will do L, and then I will do the same thing with the uppercase, and then I will do it, I will call it with the integer value, and so let's do 107 then, for example, and then we have the is digit, just to make it wonderful. On the other hand, I have time to pour myself a tea in the pauses. Okay, so two uppercase, it create a big one. This lowercase, it doesn't do anything with the L. Then I have two lowercase, and I provided the code point, and it did not nothing. It just said that. So maybe I can somehow extract it. So let's say L dot code point now. So let's do character dot char value code, hash code compared to now char value. Can I get the I don't know how to do that. I thought I can get the numeric value. Can I do? Okay, so the A will be, I will use the big A now, character, and we will do this south. Oh, I can just do that, and now I will say not this guy, but I will say to lowercase, and I will convert this to int, and I will say character and run it, and maybe that will do something. Okay, so that is 97. All right, and that looks good. So I can do I can do character to lowercase, and how can I convert it to a character? So this everything all of this will output a number. So maybe I can cast it right there, and that does not work. Mm, Character, and here the parameters are char value. Okay, so that is not what I'm looking for. Well, I don't know how to do that. How can I create a character from its numeric value? Uh, New character, yeah, and I will extract it to character 1, yeah, why not? I did, sure. Now, yeah, I will fix this. Not this way, that was Alt-Enter. Split into declaration and assignment. Well, that did not help. So, character 1, we will do char value compared to hashcode wait arg. I don't know how to do that. This returns char, this returns integer, integer, string, boolean. Okay, never mind, I don't know how to do this. We will get the right value, but what about character? Is there some method on it? Character dot and is digit something which returns char to uppercase. Code point at, code point before, code point count, all integers, 4 digit. Okay, so character 4 digit, and I will put here 97 for the time being. That's the thing we've got, and I want to print it out as well. Like that, and I'm missing parentheses. What's the problem here? Expected two arguments but found one. Okay. Digit int radix. Okay, so radix will be. Phew, dude. Math radix, I guess. If the digit less than 10, then digit is returned, otherwise the value determines the character representation for specific digit in the specific radix. If the value of code radix is not a valid radix, or the value of digit is not a valid digit in the specified radix, the null character is returned. Okay. The code radix argument is valid if it's greater than or equal to code min radix, so that would be 10, I think, and less than or equal to code maximum radix. Okay, that makes sense. What about the radix? Radix is radix. Okay, so is there an example? Uh, so that will return null, null, then digit 10, that will be 0 plus digit. And what is the radix used for? The radix is uh, I have no idea what the radix is here for. See character max min radix max radix. Okay, so we will go there, I guess. Okay, min radix is 2, max radix is 36. The minimum radix available for conversion to a from sticks to constant value is the field is the smallest value permitted for radix. What is the radix? See those. And here's the max radix. Max radix is 36. Okay, so I guess we will do 36 then. And I have no idea what what I'm doing right now. So let's run it and see what happens. Takes forever again. Why? It's so slow. And it returns null. What about if I do 2, for example? I will play with the colors a little bit more. Error, where's the error? Is the error and background? I want it to be deeper, like darker. I'll try this. Choose. This is search. Okay, so maybe that's not the best thing to do. So here's error. Maybe I want. The other one. Okay, so it was here, this color. Choose apply, okay. Okay, I don't know what this does. Before the is digit, it returns null. Character 4 digit. I don't know how this works. Digit must be bigger than radix. Okay. And digit is smaller than radix. Okay. And that is 0 plus digit. Return char. Okay, so it just converts. And that is only if the digit is smaller than 10. So let's try that. So I will do 1, for example, and run it. And it's 1. After the 97, we've got 1. Okay, so I'm guessing for 5 will be that, and for 9 we will get 9. So that will be just those things. And if it's greater than 10, we will have character A minus 10 plus digits. What trickery is this? A minus 10 plus digit. Okay, so we'll do 10 and see. Not this. Yeah, so those are numbers. And I will go here and I will do 10. And try that, and let's do 20 as well. And we are over the time, so we'll end with the character class lesson and move on. There's a K. Oh, there's a A. A is 10 and K is 12. Okay. So how can I get the number for a character? Okay, so that was the 10 is A. So somehow I should be able to get that value from a character. So we will say we have a character this, so I will do small a, and we have this character 2 lowercase. And what about just doing int character? Will this work? We should get 10, I believe. And we got 97. Okay. We will do a comment here, and it will be how to get int representation of character and use that number to create that character, and that might be to do like so. Okay, save, commit, and it will be what we did in numbers. Oh, okay, I did not commit, so numbers class and character class lessons. Sure. Well, anyway, I will finish this later. The video is done, and done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.